Let's see what we got here. Oh, there's the connection. I've got, actually no, it's just one. Basically, I want to try to get this guy, replace this guy with, it's been working pretty daggone good. But that one over there has been leaking. Now I am gonna go ahead and take it out. And then let's see what kind of hose replacement I can do. What I'm going to do is use this type fitting, and I'm going to tape this puppy off here. Well, tie it off, I should say, and hopefully I can get a good bite on this puppy. You know what? I'm going to give myself a little more slack, but I want to use this old soaker hose to bring in the new. Wrap him around so he's pretty tight, and then I'm hoping that works. If so, this will be a lot faster change out job, that's for sure. To the ground. Good to go. Hook him up. I think I'm gonna have to figure out something. Let me see here. All right. I'm gonna have to tie this puppy back on real fast. But weird angle. But needed. Just the same. Let's see if I can open. This does the trick on the pulling. Right there. Right there she pops up. All right. Okay. Because I'll have to clean up all this. What I'll have for the rest of it. Let's do a little cleanup session. Well, I got it pulled from L to L. Excuse me, from this boxwood as well as the other one. So all my boxwoods now have this drip irrigation on it. This one, the way I designed it initially, had this type of, had a PVC valve on there. So what I'm going to do is just glue this on there and be done with it. And we should be all right on things. Not shouldn't need a lot of glue. Just need a little bit just to make it sticky. Oh man. Ooh, that ain't good. Shoot. Oh crap. The fumes from this thing. I tell you what. Let's see here. Get it on there. Oh yeah, hold it on there for a little bit. But should be good after this. Alright, pretty much have everything done. This side is done. I need an adapter for the hose bib on that one and a cap on this end, and then those L's down there, that L hedge, we pulled the tube. We did that one attachment, but also need a cap for that end too. But all in all, should be good. Glad we got it dialed in the way we did. Got to fine tune some things, but it should go great. I'll know the exact type of amount of water that's going on here, and which will be awesome. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, boxwoods everywhere, but let me see if I can squish it down.